Okay, so solids of revolution. So this one, it's a three-dimensional shape, everybody, that's formed by rotating. So we're rotating a two-dimensional shape. So I'm just rotating it around, okay? Like I'm rotating my car around. And on an axis. The line around which the shape is rotating is called the axis of revolution. For example, when you rotate a rectangle around the line that contains on its side the solid revolution produced is a cylinder. Okay, so if we have a rectangle, so everybody can think about it like we're looking at just two dimension for a cylinder, and then I'm taking and rotating it around. Okay, so it says sketching and describing the solids of revolution. So for this one, so I'm going to take and rotate it around. So I do that, everybody. And what you're going to see is that now, okay, this is a cylinder. Okay, so it's a cylinder. It has a height. So the height is 9. Okay. And the radius is 4. So do you see that radius right there? That's the radius. Okay, so for this one, the solid is a cone. So it's a cone, everybody. So we have our little cone. Okay, so we're so the height is 5. So I want you to notice this because we are going to be using this to find the volume. The radius is 2. Okay, so the height is 5 right here, and the radius is 2. So again, everybody, it's just like we're taking and looking at it just from one point of view. So 2 dimensions, like a flat piece of paper. Okay, so okay, so this one, it says, look at what this is. So this one, okay, so if you see this triangle, you go, okay, so what you do is you take and draw it on the other side. So everybody, I definitely remember geometry art class, so I draw it out. Okay. So we have a radius of 3. Radius is 3. Height is 4. This is the height right here. Okay, so that's that height, and it's a cone. Okay, for this one, remember, so draw it on the other side. So everybody draw these out. Okay, so that means that 6 is our radius, 8 is our height. Okay, so this is a cylinder. Okay, this one, if I take and draw it, what do you think this one's going to be? I'm going to give you a hint. We have our little pretty ball. Ooh, it's sparkly. Okay, so this one's going to be so the radius is 7. Okay, so this is a sphere. So three-dimensionally, this is a sphere. Okay, so there's a couple other examples I wanted to go over. So what if we had one that was like this? So I'm just going to draw them on here. Okay, and we have that the height is 17. I'm giving you a hint. The radius. Okay, so this part is 8. Okay, so again, everybody, what we do is we take and draw it on the other side. So everybody, I encourage you to draw these out, just like in the last one with polygons, we had to graph them out. Draw these out. So if you look at what this is, everybody, this is a triangular prism. Okay, the height is 17 and half of the length right here. Okay, so that base. So 8 is half of the base. So 8 plus 8 would be 16. Okay. What if we had one that was like this? So again, everybody draw it. Okay, so this is 17 feet. This is 23. I'm going to draw the same thing on the other side. Okay, this is a triangular pyramid. That part right here. So the height is 12. Okay. The base is, so this is 17. 17 plus 17 is 34. Okay, so the base is 34. And then the height of this triangular prism is 23. And that's kind of a lot to go on, but you all got this. Okay. This is for solids of revolution.